Hi, welcome to a series of short videos to help you make the most of FreeAgent. In this first video, I'm going to introduce a brief overview of the screens of FreeAgent and a quick setup. We're going to assume that you have already been invited to use FreeAgent and you've set your password. Once you log in, you'll be greeted with the dashboard that looks like this. I'm using a company called Boggle IT, which is just a test company, and this is a limited company, but the principles are the same if you're a sole trader also. On your dashboard, you will view your cash flow, your invoice timeline, your bank accounts, any expenses you have, and also your profit and loss and tax timeline. If you go to the top right corner and click on your company name and then click on settings. In here, you will view the company details. And if you were to change address, you would be able to amend that in here. You've also got the company name and the company registration number, which have already been populated for you. Once the company has been set up as an employer, I will populate your PAYE reference and your accounts office reference for you in these fields. And then once we receive the corporation tax reference from HMRC, we'll add it in here. You can also change your business category within this section to whatever's suitable for you. Make sure you click on Save Changes if you make any amendments. The other part in here that's quite useful in this setup is users. If you have another shareholder in the company, then you would add them in here. Now this is important when it comes to allocating dividends at a later date if the company has been set up at Companies House with more than one shareholder. Please click on New User, and in here you would enter the email address. Now if it's a silent shareholder, you can just add anything in there, it doesn't really matter. Add in their name. If it's an employee, add in their national insurance and date of birth, but if it's a shareholder, that would be fine to leave these fields blank. Under role, select the appropriate one. If you want this person to be able to log into FreeAgent, you can click in this field here, and this will send them an invitation to activate their account. However, if you don't wish them to have any access, click on No Access, Create New User. If you click on Overview, that will return you back to your dashboard.